Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. First of all, thank you so much my viewers for watching my videos and I hope you are fine and happy. Before starting video, please like, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon. So I compiled these beautiful backyard landscaping ideas for you. Make your backyard a place that reflects your style. Whether you prefer a contemporary style space with succulents and abundant hardscapes or a cottage style look with pathways or water features, framed by masses of colorful perennials. If you like to host outdoor parties, consider adding a fire pit or fireplace for guests to gather around. In this video of backyard landscaping ideas, you will discover finest and coolest styles of backyard landscaping that enhance the beauty of your whole home and eye-catching for your any guests. You can make your backyard landscaping very beautiful by a cottage garden's colorful planting palette. Create areas of interest in your backyard areas. Backyard with gravel landscaping. Rustic backyard. Chic rock garden. Add color with plants and design features. Add different colors of flowers and plants and design features. Sloped backyard becomes terraced gardens. Deck with vine wrap pergola. A family backyard built for fun. Outdoor dining with a stylish sitting area. Contemporary backyard with a pool. Big style in a small backyard. Resort style backyard and pool. Subtle terracing in backyard. Welcoming water features. Outdoor fireplaces, elevated deck with shade, family friendly outdoor entertaining space, and many other stylish backyard landscaping ideas and designs. I hope you like this video and please do subscribe, share, comment, and like this video and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.